Ready to share your thoughts with the Blue Sky community? I'll show you exactly how to create a post on Blue Sky in just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a post on Blue Sky. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up the Blue Sky app on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're on your feed, tap on the pencil icon in the bottom section of your screen. Now type your message or content in the text box. You can share your thoughts, a question, or just a quick update. The character limit is pretty generous, so you've got room to express yourself. If you want to make your post more engaging, tap the camera or image icon to add photos, videos, or GIFs. Just choose what you want from your gallery or take a new one. Once you're happy with your post, tap the post button. Your message will be shared with your followers and you'll be the part of the conversation. And that's it. You've just created your first post on Blue Sky. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Tech My Life for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're the first one to know when a new video drops.